Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys how to add 4 moving averages onto your TradingView charts. These are going to be your simple moving averages, these are going to be your exponential moving averages, your double exponential moving averages, and then your triple exponential moving averages. And then I'm going to give you guys 10 strategies so you guys can use all of those and learn kind of why you would want to use all of those as well. So first of all, here, go over to indicators, metrics, and strategies. And if you guys are looking to do the simple moving average, just type in SMA and it's going to pop up here under technicals. 1, 2, 3, just for your benefit. If you guys want to do exponential, just go over here and do EMA, moving average exponential. If you guys are looking for double exponential moving averages, do DEMA, double EMA, then TEMA, which is triple exponential moving averages. And the base strategy that you guys are going to be using is going to be doing a 20, 50, 200. So that's 20, make this green and thick. Go over here, light blue, thick, set this to 50. And then finally right here, we're going to be looking at the 200. We're making it yellow and thick as possible. That's your basic default. Basically, with a lot of these different charts, you're looking to use these for larger time frames. And when you have death crosses like right here for Bitcoin, you usually see nasty moves follow them, nasty moves follow them, nasty moves follow them, and nasty moves following them. It's a very simple pattern, but it works very, very well. Now, here are the other 9 strategies you guys might be looking to get into. So your default that we just talked about here is going to be the SMA 20, 50, 200. I'll let you guys read this in your own time because I know you guys do want to be looking at this pretty fast. Next up, you got the SMA still 50, 100, 200, different combination, but can work out very well. You have your optional optimal time frames, of course, there, and your best market conditions. Then you got the SMA 9, 21, 50. This is going to be a little bit more fun. This is better for the 5-minute, 15 minutes, and 1-hour trades. After that, we have still the simple moving averages, 20 and the 100 here. Next, we have EMAs, which is the 8, 21, 55 time frames in which you guys may be looking for here. EMAs 20, 50, and 200, another option there if you guys just want a little bit less lag for what we just talked about. After that, we have the double exponential moving averages, the 9 and the 21. Different signal lag, optimal time frames, 1 to 3 minutes. Very, very small day trades right there. And then you have the DEMA 21 to 50 here, looking pretty good. TEMA's 9 and 21. Also something to keep in mind here, this is for day traders, but it can really work out very, very well. And then finally right here, the last TEMA is going to be 21 to 55. You're going to have breakout markets, trend acceleration phases, and low to medium chop. Different reasons for using all of these. Make sure to read them if you guys can. Today's sponsor is Blueberry Markets. They're a regulated trading broker offering Forex, crypto, indices, and stocks with tight spreads, fast execution, and platforms like MetaTrader and TradingView. If you want to check them out, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.